Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise some basic concepts of class 10th. They will be helpful to you while doing the unit test. Number 1. According to Euclid's division lemma, for a given positive integers a and b, there exists a unique integer q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, where the value of r is 0 less than equal to r is less than b. Second, every positive integer is of the form 2p, even integer, and that every odd integer is in the form 2p plus 1. Third, the relation between LCM and HCF of two numbers a and b is given. A into b is LCM into HCF. This relation is not true in case of three numbers. Please note down. In case of three numbers, this relation is not true. Only for two numbers we use this relation. Fourth, a number a to the power n, any number to the power n, will end with digit 0 if it has powers of 2 and powers of 5 as their factors. That is 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n. We will see 4 to the power n has only 2 as factor. It will not end with digit 0. 6 to the power n has 2 and 3 as factors. It will not end with digit 0. But if there is a number which has 2 and 5 as its factors, it will end with digit 0. Number 5. A decimal which finishes, for example, 0.41, 0.721, 0.625 are known as terminating or ending decimals. A decimal which does not finish but repeats is non-terminating decimal but repeating decimal. For example, 0.333, 0.121212 ... and so on. And a decimal which is on the form 0.10, 100, 100, and so on. This is non-terminating and non-repeating. Such a decimal represents irrational number. Number 5. If zeros of polynomial are 2 and 3, then x minus 2, x minus 3. Let us multiply. You can see x and x minus 3 minus 2 and x minus 3, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6, x square minus 5x plus 6 is the polynomial. Number 6. If x square minus 7x plus k has one of the zeros 3, we can find out the other zero. How to do it? Put x is equal to 3 in this polynomial and put this polynomial equal to 0. 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus k equal to 0. 9 minus 21 plus k equal to 0. K is 21 minus 9. The value of k is 12. Number 7. If alpha beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then sum of zeros alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, that is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros is alpha beta is c upon a, that is constant coefficient upon coefficient of x square. Now 8. Find a quadratic polynomial with sum minus 3 and product 2. We know alpha plus beta minus 3 is minus b upon a. Alpha beta is equal to 2 upon 1 c upon a. If you compare, a is 1, minus b is minus 3, so b is 3, c is 2. Compare, abc we get, and the polynomial is x square plus 3x plus 2. Find the number of zeros if this curve is cutting x-axis once, then 1 0. Twice it is cutting x-axis, 2 zeros. Thrice, or how many times? 1, 2, 3. It is having 3 zeros. If it is cutting 4 times, 4 zeros, 5 times, 5 zeros, not cutting, no zeros. 10th, the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Verifiable using Euclid's division lemma. Students, I am also giving you some exercise for practice. In the exams you will get MCQs, and you practice this exercise also. You have to answer this. In this exercise I am not giving you the options, I am asking you to solve them, but in exams you will be given MCQs with options for you to choose. Stay home, stay safe, be prepared. Best of luck. Thank you.